Namaste, welcome to Tourism Queen. I'm Dipali Fadnes, and at Tourism Queen, we are going to start a new project where we will explore the ancient architecture and heritage of India. So, at present, I am in Bhubaneswar. You can see I'm standing in front of a very beautiful temple which was built around 11th century or 12th century. While walking randomly, we saw this temple. It's kind of the self discovery, and I'm amazed that we were just walking down, searching for something else, and then we saw this temple, and I'm totally amazed looking at its architecture. So what you're seeing is just tip of an iceberg. So imagine how beautiful this temple must be in a daytime. It's around 7 p.m. in the evening, and on this beautiful and a very exciting project, we have one more tourism queen joining us, my dear friend Angelica. Can we have Angelica? Hello.
Hello, Namaskar. My name is Angelica Marinescu. I am very grateful to Mrs. India, Mrs. Tourism Queen Dipali Fadnes for thinking to do together this beautiful project. Imagine I arrived 3 years back into this wonderful city of temples, and since then I keep discovering, and I'm happy that now I have somebody to do a project with, and hopefully to share with you whatever is the wonder of this garden of delight that is Bhubaneswar city.
Yes, Garden of Delight. You speak so beautiful, Angelica. She is. Let me tell you guys, she is researcher, Odissi dance student. She worked as a professor, and she's a traveler just like me. So there are two common interests that we have. Both of us love Odissi, and both of us love to travel, and that is what has connected both of us, right? She's very beautiful, very talented, and I'm so glad that we have such a brilliant researcher, Odissi student with us on board of Tourism Queen. And she have explored this city much better than anybody else. At least that I have seen. And I must say that I was able to see this beautiful temple, Angelica, only because she brought me here. Or else in my dream, I would have never even dreamt of seeing something like this. This is like a dream. I feel like we are sitting in a time machine and we have traveled back like 11th or 12th century. It feels like that, isn't it?
Yeah, maybe it's a dream meeting because I also dreamt for 3 years to have somebody to talk and share and do something together. And maybe we met like time travelers in
Yes.
space traveler for me.
Yes.
And let's hope good things will come together. I find you like an exquisite, beautiful,
Wow.
amazing person, a woman with many facets and extraordinary qualities, beautiful and
Wow.
intelligent. And I always say most beautiful women are always most intelligent. So,
I feel so glad. I feel so glad. Sometimes we never know, where we are going, and we have to keep connecting with the people. Actually, we met over a food connect, for one of the festival, and we shared a very divine lunch together. And that is how food has connected. Actually, it was the food connect, a divine food connect of Lord Jagannath's Prasad, Mahaprasad, and that food has connected us. So you can see when divine food connects, wonderful things happen. So we will be doing photo shoots. Yes.
hopefully.
Yes, hopefully. And guys, I have decided that I'm also going to pose and do the photos because I really don't want to miss this magnificent architecture. Who want to, miss this beautiful architecture? So though I'm not in a proper shape, or not in the fitness, or not in the practice of doing the Odissi, I am still going to do this adventure of taking picture with this beautiful lady who is so fit. Who is so fit, who is so well trained, and something very brilliant. So it's going to be a challenge for me. But you know what? I believe in taking the opportunities. I don't want to miss this opportunity. So I'm going to do that. We will be doing a photo shoots, and then we will be documenting these temples. Yeah, and we will be even recreating some sort of recooking some kind of prasad foods on our Food Connect. And there's so many exciting things. I mean, I think I should hide something for the coming time. So this is the beautiful temple, guys. I will take you around in few minutes. So you have anything to say, Angelica?
I'm happy and blessed to be in such beautiful project, and I hope we'll enjoy
Yes.
working together. And I hope everybody who will watch will enjoy as much as we do and more.
Yes.
And
So don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, because now I'm not only one on a tourism queen. We have a beautiful tourism queen from Romania joining us. So we're going to explore so many things, and stay safe. We are traveling, and we are taking lots of precautions, and we know what that we have been very responsible. Yes, we are hiding our masks now, because to maintain the aesthetics of this video, or else we are maintaining the social distancing. Of course, we are like a family, right? So we know where and all we are going and all that. So anyways, let's talk about good things, and see you soon on Tourism Queen, on Food Connect. I'm Dipali Fadnes, and
I'm Angelica Marinescu.
yes, signing off. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Bye bye.